So in this video, we're going to go through how to actually use the charts to complete the Forex market analysis sheet. We'll be using long-term timeframes to complete the analysis, and there really are no rules regarding which platform you'd like to use. For this video, I'm using CTrader, and generally that's what I prefer, but you may also want to use MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, or even TradingView. So as you will have seen on our website and previous videos, this is our Forex market analysis sheet that we use to complete our long-term market analysis. Now, first of all, you'll need to ensure that you have the long-term timeframes available. So regardless of which platform you're using, you need to be able to quite easily click between these. So that's the 4-hour, daily and weekly chart. And you will need to ensure you have your currency pairs all listed, and ideally you do want these to be in the same running order as we have on our analysis spreadsheet. It just helps to keep your analysis practice tidy and timely. Now, for the purpose of this video, we are solely going to look at the US dollar pairs, and you'll quickly see what's required in order to complete the full sheet. We'll be looking at the long-term timeframes, and once we've completed our analysis, we'll then look at the currency profile that has been formed for the US dollar. So to begin, I do want to make sure that I am on the 4-hour time frame and that I can clearly see the euro dollar as my starting currency pair. So if we take a look, we can see we have a downward trend there, and this continues for the pound dollar, the Aus dollar, and also the New Zealand dollar as well. So for all 4 of our currency pairs, we see a downtrend. And let's go ahead and enter that onto our market analysis sheet. So looking at those final 3 pairs, we've got the dollar Swiss in a more neutral position. Yen was clearly on an uptrend, and the dollar CAD is just slightly inching towards a uptrend position there. So again, let's go ahead and enter this into our spreadsheet. So now we'll move on to our daily chart and timeframes. Okay, so we want to ensure that we are on the correct timeframes, those daily charts. And as you'll see, as I go through the pairs for the euro, pound, and Aus, and the New Zealand, we were showing clear downtrends against the dollar. So now let's move on to the final 3 pairs. So against the Swiss, the yen and the CAD, we can see some clear uptrend movements. So let's add this onto the charts as well. And now let's move on to the weekly charts. So again, checking that I'm on the right time frame. And let's run through those 7 pairs. So we're starting to see some signs of downtrends. Yeah, okay, let's go ahead and enter this onto the chart. And now for the final 3 pairs. So we see some real clear uptrend movements there. Okay, again, let's add this onto the chart. So we are seeing that similarity between the daily and the weekly, and a clear sign of the USD holding a strong position in its currency profile. So there we have it, our dollar pairs and the currency group showing some signs of long-term strength. Now, for trade entries and potential trades, you will be looking for currency groups that are showing significantly weaker currency profiles against the US dollar. Now, the long-term analysis instructs us on the charts that we need to look at It doesn't mean you can only complete this analysis either once a week for the weekly charts or just daily for the daily. It's purely indicating the charts to look at in order to complete the analysis. And you may need to up the frequency depending on market movements for that particular day. In fact, during those periods of high volatility, you will want to complete your analysis frequently. And it's a great discipline to have. By completing the analysis routinely, it will help to shape your understanding of market movement and momentum. And in addition, by using long term analysis and the additional tools that we offer our subscribers, such as the trade plans, price alerts, market alerts, along with our unique game changing heat map, your trade entries will have no reason not to succeed if applied correctly. You will become better skilled in understanding when it's an optimum time to consider a potential trade entry. So stop chasing the market and forcing your trade entries. Know what to look for and make a point in educating yourself on how the market moves for your long term trading success.